Hello everyone! So today it's all about the CYBERTOOL Lite. So 17925T. So a 91mm knife, of course. So user's guide, same in every box of CYBERTOOLs. Here it's the same in every box of any 91mm knife. And here is the CYBERTOOL Lite. So it's for the thickness, it's 34 and a half millimeters. The weight is 173 grams. So it's lighter than the CYBERTOOL L or CYBERTOOL 41. And I'll talk about the price at the end. So, for the tools, at the back we have only 3, which is strange, not strange, but for this thickness, we usually have 5 tools with the chisel and flathead screwdriver, which are missing here. So we have the corkscrew with the small screwdriver. We have the straight pin in the scale. We have the multi-purpose hook and the reamer. Which is sharp, of course. On this side, I must start here. We have the small blade. The big blade. Then we have scissors. Next, we have a pair of pliers. Then we have the wrench or the screwdriver, 2 positions, 90 degrees and inline. So same bits as the other CYBERTOOLs. So star-shaped head here. We have here Phillips, 2 different sizes. Here we have a Phillips 2 and a flat head screwdriver. And a star-shaped head here, as well as the one inside the wrench. So that's it. So we have 8 different bits. Then we have the magnifying glass. The light, of course, which is not that bad. Yeah, not that bad. Not that bad. Maybe I can So it's not the best light in the world, but it can be useful if you have nothing else, or if you just need a little light. Then we have bottle opener, can opener, large flathead screwdriver, tiny flathead screwdriver, and wire stripper here. And we have tweezers here, and toothpick. Finally, the tiny pen. So that's it, I think. So I'll make another video to compare with the CYBERTOOL L, M, and S. I don't know if I make one video or several of them, but I'll see. But I'll do that to compare the differences among the 4 of them. So if you like the video, you can leave a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.